Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for affordable domain names, hosting, or SSL certificates, then Namecheap is definitely a platform you need to check out. And the good news is, you don't have to pay full price. I've got the latest working coupon codes for Namecheap from 2022 through 2025, and they can save you big on your next purchase. Stick with me until the end because I'll share multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the best deal. Namecheap is one of the most trusted domain registrars and hosting providers in the world, known for their budget-friendly prices, reliable service, and excellent customer support. Whether you're starting a new website, buying your next domain, or securing your site with SSL, there's always a discount available if you know where to look. Here are the codes you can try. NC25SAVE. Get 25% off selected hosting plans. Domain 2025, save up to 20% off new domain registrations. SSL 15 off, extra 15% off SSL certificates. Cheap 10, flat 10% off site-wide for new customers. Namecheap, special promo, free Hoy's privacy with domain purchases. Simply click the special link in the description, add your service or domain to the cart, apply one of these codes, and watch the price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the maximum discount, try another. One of these will definitely work between 2022 and 2025, so don't wait. Domain names and hosting deals sell out quickly. Hit the link in the description, grab your discount, and get started with Namecheap today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more discount codes and hosting tips, and let me know in the comments which domain or plan you grabbed. See you in the next one.